Hello, I'm Michael Robinson with Cynalytica, and I will be demonstrating network baselining with IP, serial, and analog communications in OT, and how Cynalytica's intelligent network sensors and analytics engine accomplish this critical activity for IP and non-IP industrial control system networks. Thanks for tuning in. Good network baselining involves the systematic monitoring, measuring, and benchmarking of a network's normal operating conditions. There are 8 key tasks for effective network baselining. First is traffic analysis, monitoring the types, volumes, and patterns of network traffic under normal conditions. This includes understanding peak usage times, common service protocols, and bandwidth requirements. Next is performance metrics, establishing benchmarks for key performance indicators such as latency, throughput, error rates, and utilization rates. These metrics help in identifying when a network is operating outside of normal parameters. Cynalytica's analytics engine captures and analyzes both physical system data within the control environment and network communications. It collects data from intelligent sensors, performs deep packet inspection on network packets, and contextualizes the information for NOC/SOC operators. Both the contextualized and raw data are archived for comprehensive analysis. This cyber-physical data is then analyzed using SyrenQL and Cyren AI to determine actual network behavior, performance, and control behavior. SyrenQL is a flexible and easy-to-use language for performing detailed analysis and generating indicators for network and physical system data. Next is device performance, monitoring the performance and health of network devices such as routers, switches, firewalls, etc., including CPU and memory utilization to establish a baseline for normal operations. Next is service and applications performance, monitoring the performance and availability of critical network services and applications to establish their normal operational metrics. Cynalytica's intelligent network sensors and analytics engine display specific control system data, including device metrics. These metrics can be easily captured and used to benchmark performance against established standards. Once these data points are monitored and collected, then managing activities can be accomplished. Management activities include threat detection, baselining normal network behavior to most effectively detect anomalies that may indicate security threats, such as unusual traffic patterns, unexpected access attempts, or spikes in data transfer rates. Using Cynalytica's intelligent network sensors and the analytics engine's analysis and alerting functions, these alerts and indicators will assist NOC/SOC analysts and operators in threat hunting, detection, and remediation workflows. Additionally, they can be integrated into third-party SIM/SOAR endpoints. Next is documentation, documenting the baseline metrics and methodologies used for collecting data and any changes over time. This documentation is crucial for understanding the network's evolution and troubleshooting issues. And finally, regular reviews and updates, periodically reviewing and updating the baseline to account for network growth, changes in usage patterns, and the introduction of new devices, services, and technologies. A thorough network baselining process provides a golden reference point to measure network performance and security over time, aiding in the early detection of issues and supporting efficient troubleshooting and resolution efforts. Cynalytica's easy-to-use analytics engine and intelligent network sensors provide increased visibility and analysis for critical OT networks, ensuring a comprehensive baselining process is achieved. This improves an organization's ability to maintain higher security integrity and reduces the acceptable risk of disruption to OT operations in the event of a cyber incident. To learn more, visit us at cynalytica.com. Thanks for watching.